Hi guys, welcome to my video. So today we're going to be installing this Body Wave Glueless wig from Unice. Shout out to them for sponsoring today's video. Now, first thing about the specs of the wig, I want to show you guys what the inside is looking like. Of course, it comes with clips. It also comes with a band that you guys can tighten because, again, this wig is going to be glueless. It also comes with lace at the top and the bottom. Now, I wanted to show you guys what the lace is looking like because it is invisible, and I went ahead and pre-plucked it before I installed this wig. Now, in regards to installing this wig, before I wanted to go ahead and install it, I knew that this wig was going to be glueless, no glue at all, so I went ahead and added some makeup just to help blend the wig a little bit more when I do go ahead and put it on my head. Now, when I do go ahead and put it on my head, not gonna lie, this wig wasn't really that big. I mean, sometimes when I do try on wigs, since I do have a small head, they tend to be a little bit bigger on my head. But honestly, when I put this wig on, it actually fit pretty nice. I was actually really surprised. And I don't know if I did mention, but this wig is straight out of the box, you guys. I didn't even wash it or anything like that. Yeah, I know. Honestly, like, as of lately, I feel like when I install wigs now, I want the process to be as easy as possible. And when I say easy, I mean like easy, literally take it out of the box and slap that thing on. Like, literally. So now I just went ahead and cut off the lace. Again, this is their Invisible HD Closure Body Wave wig in the length 24 inches, which you guys will see more so toward the end of how long it is. But yeah, I went ahead and cut off the sides of that wig as well, as you guys can see in the video, because I don't like those little white parts sticking out on the side. It kind of looks a little bit weird. But yeah, honestly, I'm really fascinated with the hairline on this closure because even though it did come pre-plucked and I went ahead and plucked it a little bit more, it honestly looks really freaking good, especially in person too. But anyways, in these next few clips, you guys are just going to be seeing me kind of press down or flat iron the top of my head because honestly, I don't know what happened to my hot comb, which is what I would usually use, or you probably should use when you are going to flatten the top of your head, but honestly I couldn't find it, so I just went in with a flat iron to kind of flatten down the top because it wasn't, I mean, it wasn't bumpy, but like I just wanted it a little bit more flat, you know, just to give that more like natural look, you know what I mean? So anyways, yeah, in these next few clips you guys are just going to be seeing me style it, also straighten it as well. Now, before I do get to the part of me styling it and everything like that, I just wanted to show you guys really quick that before I do that, I go in with this wax stick to make sure that everything is laid down in the front. With this glueless wig, I do like my, I'm not going to add any baby hairs, but I do like the hairline to be just a little bit pushed back to kind of give like that natural like pushed back hairline. Honestly, as of lately, I haven't been really feeling baby hair, so this hairstyle is going to be a no baby hair look. Honestly, without the baby hairs, I feel like it looks a little bit more natural. Honestly, that's just my opinion. But yeah, that's the only thing that I'm going to be using on the lace. Again, we're not using any glue. I feel like as long as you have the wig like really tight, you shouldn't be worried about it lifting or moving or anything like that, especially with it being a closure wig. You don't have to worry about the ear tabs flying up or if it was like a lace front or anything like that. So yeah, but in these next few clips before I do style, I'm gonna go ahead and add layers in my hair. Honestly, I feel like adding layers just gives the hair more body in my opinion. But yeah, in regards to the layering, I'm just going in like a diagonal motion. I really don't know how to describe it when it comes to layering. I honestly like section the hair off to make sure that both sides is even because honestly when I first started layering my hair, it was a hot mess. So honestly for me, sectioning the hair off on each side kind of helps with everything being even. But yeah, I'm just using a diagonal motion to get that kind of like layered effect. I was going to straighten my hair, but honestly, I feel like I'm just going to go ahead and curl it. You guys will see towards the end of the video how I curl it, because honestly, I feel like layered hair and curled hair just looks so much better together. But yeah, if you made it this far in the video, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.
finding peace. Honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me. Rolling 80 wheels in a safety. Riding on you. Gotta roll OT, gotta get my release. Spread your legs downtown, so I'm going out to eat. Man, the raw sounds when I rock, I be sweet. I'ma roll on the forever, let her roll on me. Split this one down the middle, wake up in a harmony.
Eclipse. Don't close your eyes to get away. Just bang my line and I'll arrange it. Beautiful girl, you're stainless. You'll be fine, I'll be painless, yeah. All I'm drinking is champagne. All you want is the same thing.
Yeah. The 10,000 building, get your ass an apartment, put you inside a G-class, that's just a starter kit. Plenty things count in life, but none of them is the thought of it. New piece around my neck, this chess games. Cause shorty stay with calculated moves like Beth Harmon. Swear I'm more purple rain prince than Prince Charming. Disappointment I stay expecting it. The pessimist, gold medalists, flush the magnets just so they not collecting my specimens down.
Eclipse.
Baby, I'm late, but I roll the window down it. I just bought a pistol, it got 30 rounds. Pull up at your mama house and put some rounds in it. Wet a nigga block and watch them niggas drown in it. 100 round drum, gun a nigga down with it. I'm on that slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit, slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit. I'm on that slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit, slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit. I'm on that slaughter gang shit. Take a nigga bitch, we use the bitch, cause I ran off with your shit. I'm a red right blood, any nigga counterfeit. You don't pull up on the L, push it while you get killed. I bought a brand new drop and then I put me up some drops. Y'all say real street nigga, y'all ain't on no block. Keep your legs closed, cause all I want is talk. I pull up and y'all gon' call the cops. I just bought a pistol, it got 30 rounds in it. Pull up at your mama house and put some rounds in it. That nigga block and watch them niggas drown in it. 100 round drum, got a nigga down with it. I'm on this slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit, slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit. I'm on this slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit, slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit. 2 guns up, I don't give a fuck. I'm a big dog, little nigga, you a fuck. Pull up at your spot, walk up on it, shoot it up. Your bitch, she on the molly, yeah, I gotta boot it up. You said that you was trapping, but I heard that's a lie. Baking soda, cold water, cut the stove on, scrape the sides. You can keep skinny bitch, cause I like a fat ass and thighs. So y'all savage, your baby daddy, no, not to try. I just brought a pistol, it got 30 rounds in it. Pull up at your mama house and put some rounds in it. Let a nigga block and watch them niggas drown in it. 100 round drum, got a nigga down with it. I'm on this slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit, slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit. I'm on this slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit, slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit, slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit, slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit.
And I just want to show you guys how easy it is to put on and remove this wig. Since it is glueless, you guys can honestly just slap this thing on and it looks so good. Again, shout out to Unice for sponsoring this video. This is the end of my video. Thank you guys so much for watching and can't wait to see you guys in my next one.